Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. And the first one what we can do is to restart audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music, you can use another one, it's the same. Just remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, we should check if you have the last software version. So open the application and right here click check for updates. And the check I have the last one. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, what we can do? We can reset our device. So I use a phone and I recommend it to use a phone and maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a factory reset. So open the Bluetooth. Now put your earbuds to the charging case and tap 7 times quick on the first earbud and then on the second one. And you need to, after you tap 7 times, you need to see that this LED light flashing 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we go. And the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we haven't. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go, we did it. Now you can remove it from the charging case, and firstly we need to remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset it enters to prank mode automatically, so just click on it in the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!